This is our hot cell multifunctional transfer cart, which is suitable for the emergency room, the gastroscopy room, and the operation room. Let's look at the main support of the bed bodies. It's made of high-quality film and partial aluminum products, which ensure it is able to achieve better load-bearing effect. And the thickness of our main load-bearing steel material is not less than 3 mm. And the net weight of our bed body is more than 80 kilograms. And it has passed the test that can withstand twice its own weight, which means the cart can load patients with 160 kilograms. The guardrail and the bedboard are made of new materials, PP particles, with one-piece molding. It has ensured that the bedboard is durable and buildable. So, as Vivian just said, our guardrail and the bedboard are made of new material, the PP particles. So the fault problem, such as uneven-colored, substandard softness and hardness caused by the use of material or the second recycled material, will not happen to our cards. At the same time, the guardrail can be fixed and placed at multiple angles, and the angle with horizontal bedboard can be fixed by plus or minus 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay, now here is 0 degree, and now here is 90 degree, and here is 180 degree. Yes, and when we place horizontally like this, and we are showing the load-bearing capacity of the guardrail of our transfer cart, with the load-bearing capacity is about 10 kilograms, which is convenient for the patient's arm or the small medical equipment to can be placed temporarily during the infusion process. Like this is our infusion pump. We can place on the guardrail when it is placed at horizontally position. And there are stickers on the inside and outside of the guardrail, which shows detailed function of the cart and are not easy to be removed. And this is our client's favorite model because we have added many detailed design in it. For example, the four corners of our back frames have provided holes with the convenience for nurse to hold the bed tightly during the pushing process. Just that we have designed four corners on the bed so that the nurse can hold tightly during the pushing process. And by the way, our distributors, customers in Philippines markets are buying this model stably every month. And now, please focus on the back part, please. Well, this is the back part of our transfer cart. The back lift is controlled by the high-quality silence gas steering, which is for adjust different angles. It can realize deadlift lifting, and the angle range is between 0 degree to 70 degrees. The silence gas spring has undergone 25,000 lifting tests, and there is no leakage of oil or gas. That's right, and the backplate support frame has a reasonable structure. Yes, our backplane support frame has a reasonable structure, and the forces distribute to multiple points to bear, which is conducive to carrying more force and reducing the probability of failure, more stable to use. And the guardrail has a groove design to facilitate puncture or prevent the catheter from slipping during infusion and other actions, and facilitate the drainage of the infusion. Yes. And the fabric of the transport mattress is polyester. And polyester is used inside, and the surface of the mattress is water-repellent, waterproof from the outside to the inside. And the rocker handle is designed two-stage design, which can be stored and hidden under the bed when it is not in use, like this. What important is that it has a big roll caster. And you can also see the detailed photos from your screen. It is designed for control the forward direction of the bed during the transfer process. which means when the fifth wheel in the center is not in use, the bed can travel freely. That means it is not in a straight state. When in use effectively, it will control the forward direction, which can overcome the inertial force during transportation, and the bed body will not shift to the left or right side, make the transportation process safer. Yes, and the fifth wheel is used as the fulcrum when steering. The steering angle is smaller and easier to control. Well, that's all for our multifunctional transport cars. You can check from the screen. These are our transport cars used in hospitals. Hope you like it.